All right. So these are called Fuji Natural, or it's from Fuji Natural Foods. Pea sprouts. Just gonna open them up. Look at that. So these are pretty dry. So that's kind of the reason why I chose these ones, because I didn't want there to be like a mold buildup. But look at that root system. My name is Davey. Life got crazy. I used to get around.
Traveling, he said.
Mama missed her baby. Now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead.
Oh, can you break those apart and make more than one plant? Or would you want to?
I'll probably sauteing all them in there. I'll let them spread on their own.
They're beautiful.
I guess I could wiggle them.
No, I was just wondering.
Yeah.
You can just do it as one.
And maybe it'll spread.
If this works, we should get some more.
Mm-hmm. To fill this up because it's cute. And this is the radish sprout.
Oh, really? We have radish over here. I just saw a red one too.
See, that is mold.
Where is it at?
That's new stuff.
Hold on, I'm trying to find it on the camera. Dang it. Hold on, I gotta zoom out. You think that's mold?
It's because it's wet. It's really wet.
Oh, maybe it is. This is a terrible shot I'm doing because this little doodad of yours is wiggling. How do you zoom out?
A little smaller.
Oh. No wonder it kept getting bigger. Okay, there we go. I won't even be corny about having the kitchen sink and a bathtub in your garden. I said I won't be corny about it. You know how people say you have everything but the kitchen sink? But we have a bathtub and a kitchen sink.
Yeah, they're really busheling out. Busheling ahead. My name is Davey, life got crazy, I used to get around. Mama missed a baby, now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead.